Here's the National Assembly trivia. Subscribe. What is the main legislative body of France? Is it A, Conseil constitutionnel, B, Sénat, C, Parlement européen, or D, Assemblée nationale? The correct answer is D, Assemblée nationale. Who is the current president of the National Assembly of France? Is it A, Gérald Darmanin, B, Richard Ferrand, C, Yael Braun-Pivet, or D, Elisabeth Borne? The correct answer is C, Yael Braun-Pivet. What is the term length for a member of France's National Assembly? Is it A, 5 years, B, 6 years, C, 4 years, or D, 3 years? The correct answer is A, 5 years. How many deputies are in the National Assembly of France? Is it A, 400 deputies, B, 650 deputies, C, 500 deputies, or D, 577 deputies? The correct answer is D, 577 deputies. What is the equivalent of the National Assembly in the UK? Is it A, Supreme Court, B, Senate, C, House of Lords, or D, House of Commons? The correct answer is D, House of Commons. What year was the National Assembly formed in France? Is it A, 1789, B, 1775, C, 1804, or D, 1769? The correct answer is A, 1789. Where do the members of the National Assembly meet? Is it A, Palais Bourbon, B, Versailles Palace, C, Louvre Museum, or D, Eiffel Tower? The correct answer is A, Palais Bourbon. What is the primary function of the National Assembly? Is it A, issue executive orders, B, approve treaties, C, pass legislation, or D, conduct elections? The correct answer is C, pass legislation. Which chamber is the upper house in the French Parliament? Is it A, Parlement européen, B, Conseil constitutionnel, C, Assemblée nationale, or D, Sénat? The correct answer is D, Sénat. What voting system is used for elections to the National Assembly? Is it A, alternative vote, B, block voting, C, two-round system, or D, board account? The correct answer is C, two-round system. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.